Salutations. I have been prisoner to this majestic woodland prison for over 2 fortnights now. The only thing sustaining my existence on this earth is the delectable vitamins and amino acids within the canister. I've attempted to communicate with the woodland creatures as I attempt to devise my own language in order to communicate effectively.
Lipa tish rotaka takanawa kanskata korta.
So famished, so weary, so parched, and only a few milliliters left of the nectar of the gods. Oh, but even a few drops are quite refreshing indeed. To maintain my sanity, I perform the ancient Native American tribal ritual in an attempt to summon the gods of the cumulonimbus stratosphere to release a shower of the nectar of the gods' Vegas fuel, the only substance capable of sustaining life. So far, it is not working out at all. I can barely maintain my equilibrium. Oh, what a world! Balance compromised! As the bacteria and parasites lay siege to my earthly shell. And as you prepare for your final exams, remember that Vegas fuel is conveniently available at your local Rite Aid pharmacy. Class dismiss.
Ain't nothing better than traipsing around my old stomping grounds. Woo!
So weary.
Who are you and what are you doing on my land? Woo!